Welcome to our channel. Today we are diving into an exciting topic, how to use Elevenlabs on Capcut 2025. If you are have even wanted to create stunning voice coverage or dynamic audio for your videos, you are in the right place. With Elevenlabs advanced text to speech technology integrated into Capcut, you can eleven your content effortless. Let's get started. First, head over to Elevenlabs website. Here you will find a user-friendly interface that allows you to convert text into realistic speech. Simply type or paste your desired text into the provide text box. Choose from a variety of voice that suit your project tone, where it was professional, casual, or even a bit quick. After selecting your voice, it's time to customize. Adjust permanence like pitch and speed to get the perfect sound. Want it to be more emotional? You can tweak the settings until it makes your vision. Once you're satisfied, click on General Speech. In just a moment, you will have a right quality audio ready for your project. Now that you have your audio, let's bring into CapCut. Open CapCut and create a new project. Click on the audio tab and select import. Locate the Elevenlabs audio file you just create and upload. This step is crucial as it allows you to sync your voiceover with your video seamlessly. With your audio in CapCut, drag it onto the timeline. Here's where the magic happens. You can cut, trim, and adjust the audio to fit perfectly with your visuals. Use CapCut powerfully editing tools to add background music or sounds effect the complete your voice cover. And there you have it. Using Elevenlabs on CapCut is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your video content. By following these steps, you can create professional quality voiceovers that engaged and captive your audience. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips and tricky happy ending.